Try taking those two shopping.
What?
Can I do the dog? You said to touch that meat. Shut it. Are you touch it?
She snorted.
Somebody food my teeth.
Let me zoom in.
No! Oh god. What are you toasting? That's what we're talking about. Do the toast.
With butter.
I'm not doing a toast now. Toast.
You're not gonna make any toast?
Corey ate the toast. He put extra butter on it. And he made bread too.
Well, not enough.
Not enough bread. Remember the toast Corey used to make?
No.
With cinnamon and sugar? Drenched in butter, like. Oh yeah, and then you put it in the toaster oven, and then you would melt the butter into the bread. Toast. Yes, that was.
I still do that.
Yeah, it's so bad for you, but I've done it.
With sourdough
Do you
bread.
still eat mayonnaise sandwiches like your dad?
Peanut butter and mayonnaise.
No.
That is so gross. You were the one that liked that? Oh my god, when people made that for me, I would never eat my sandwich.
That was
like
from
that?
great grandma.
I would never eat it when he would make that for me. Peanut butter and mayonnaise. So
Sandwich?
nasty.
No.
Yeah.
With lettuce.
With lettuce.
No.
With lettuce. It was awesome.
That was like that was a plus, right? It was with lettuce.
Yeah, with the lettuce.
You're like, yeah. If you were good, you got that lettuce in there.
It makes it go down easier. You're not like with the peanut butter like you normally are.
What?
It gives it a little extra crunch. It's like putting potato chips in your tuna.
Yeah, I know like that.
Oh, yeah.
Potato chips
Oh,
in
you
a
don't
tuna
put
sandwich?
You don't put
Potato chips, like the ruffles. The ruffles.
What about pickles?
No.
Oh, you don't know how to have
What happened to black olives? You never eat.
And I don't eat olives either. Thank God. I don't smell them on here or anything.
Hey, we didn't.
Mom didn't even put them out.
Awesome.
Yeah, Corey, you ruined it.
Yeah, it's all my fault.
Disgraceful.
He's the only Holroyd who doesn't like olives.
Well,
Not even green olives?
Oh, by the way, if not everybody here knows, Anthony is officially a Holroyd.
Oh, yes, that's right. What's that? Yeah, I thought.
Corey adopted him. His last name is changed, and Corey officially adopted.
Congratulations.
You didn't see the picture from the reunion yet? Good job. I have it in my email downstairs. Mrs. Hemorrhoid?
Yeah.
Mrs. What?
It happened to be at the time when I did have them.
Don't talk about those again, you guys.
I did not need to know that.
Don't get all.
Does that bring up bad memories for you?
Yeah, she's. Never mind. Don't mean that I say something that I'm not going to say. No. She said, what's a hole right? I said, well, it's not a hemorrhoid. Then Mom's trying to slap me and tell me that somebody called her Mrs. Hemorrhoid.
I think Greg back there's going, what the hell is going on?
Why?